What's up guys, it's Isaac here with KRETZ Customs. Right now we have a 2021 GMC 1500 Denali that we just got done lifting and added some new nice wheels and tires to. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, you should take a look at what we did to this one so you have some options to go with. To start off, I'm going over the lift kit, which is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift. And this one we chose is going to have that strut spacer. With this being a brand new truck, there's obviously not a lot of miles on this one, so we don't need to go ahead and replace the struts or anything like that. So we just add a strut spacer to the top of the strut, on the factory strut. If you wanted to, if you had a vehicle that does have more miles on it, you can go with the extended strut to go ahead and replace that and get some of that ride quality back. But however, if you wanted to go either way with the best ride quality you can get, you can go with the Vertex shocks as well, which is going to give you the best ride quality. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, and this one's going to be a mix between a mud-terrain and all-terrain tire, so it's going to give you the best of both worlds. It's going to have that aggressive sidewall, that thicker tread, and give you that aggressive look, as well as some of those off-road capabilities, but it's also going to give you a great experience on the road if it's something you're going to be driving every day. It's going to give you that quieter ride and the longer tread life. If you want to go with a different tire, you can go with the Native Ridge Grappler, which is another great hybrid tire, or the Toyo Open Country AT3. That's another good one as well. Down here we have a 22 by 12 Hostile Lunatic, which is a new wheel to 2021. So you can get a really good look with this brand new truck and this brand new wheel. You can have this one in the gloss black and milled finish, which is called blade cut. Or you can go with the armor plated, which is going to be the all chrome finish, or you can go with the asphalt finish, which is going to be the all black finish on this for this wheel. You do have many different options for sizes as well. You can go from a 20 by 10 up to a 26 by 12, and then for this one, you do have your open lug, so you can run spike lug nuts with this wheel. And then the other feature I really like about this one is that it's going to have the nice clean lip, which is a lot of wheel companies are going to start doing that now that more people are going with the more clean look for the wheels. So the Hostile is only etched on the outside once and leaving the rest without any rivets or anything like that. So overall, I really like this wheel, and I like how they have these little holes going around the outside and make it a little bit of an aggressive look, but also give it a nice clean look at the same time. So if you guys like this wheel and tire package and want to get your truck lifted and want to run this wheel and tire package or anything like that, hit us up over at KRETZ Customs, but make sure you check out our 0% financing options so you can go ahead and get your truck lifted now and pay later.